Let's start with the basics. What exactly is SAP? SAP stands for Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing. It's an enterprise software used by over 90% of Fortune 500 companies to manage everything from finance to supply chain and HR. That means if you master SAP, you're instantly valuable to top global employers. Why choose SAP in 2025? In 2025, the demand for SAP professionals is skyrocketing, especially with the global shift to SAP S/4HANA, the next-generation ERP system. Companies are urgently looking for new consultants who can bridge the gap between business processes and technology. And that's where you can come in, even if you're just starting out. Step-by-step guide to become a junior SAP consultant. Step 1. Understand the SAP landscape. Explore key modules like SAP FICO, Finance and Controlling, Materials Management, SD, Sales and Distribution, or HCM, Human Capital Management. Pick a module that aligns with your background or interest. Step 2. Get trained by experts. Enroll in an SAP training program, ideally one that includes hands-on access to an SAP server, live projects, and mentor support. Platforms like Upskeeling and others provide end-to-end guidance from training to implementation exposure. Step 3. Practice on live scenarios. It's not enough to learn, you need to practice. Simulate real-world cases like creating a purchase order, configuring cost centers, or running financial reports. Step 4. Build your portfolio. Prepare a professional SAP resume, add your project work, and showcase your configurations or business process understanding. Step 5. Apply for internships or junior roles. Search for positions like SAP Support Analyst, Trainee Consultant, or Junior Functional Consultant. These roles will help you gain practical experience and grow quickly into full-time consulting roles. Tips to stand out. Learn the basics of business processes like accounting, inventory, or sales. Stay updated on SAP S/4HANA trends. Get certified. An SAP certification adds major value to your profile. Join SAP communities and LinkedIn groups to connect with experts. Career growth and salary insight. A junior SAP consultant can start anywhere from $70,000 to $90,000, while experienced consultants can easily get $80 per hour or more. And since SAP is a global ecosystem, your career can take you anywhere, from local enterprises to global consulting giants like Deloitte, Accenture, or Capgemini. So if you're serious about building a future-proof tech career, start today. Explore the SAP world. Pick your module and take your first step toward becoming a junior SAP consultant in 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. We'll help you plan your SAP journey step by step. And if you want hands-on SAP training with real-time projects, check the link below or message us on WhatsApp to get started.